Good morning, students. Today I will see the exercise 8.1, question number 2. Here, in the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. यहाँ हमें जो फिगर दिया है उसमें tan P और cot R को फाइंड करना है. तो चलिए इसके सॉल्यूशन को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. We see here the QR is unknown and the given triangle is right angle triangle. So we know that if right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus the square of base. Here we see और we say, हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि if the any small side are unknown, so we can find that by the Pythagoras. Unknown side equal to unknown small side equal to root hypotenuse square यानी longest side square of longest side minus the square of given small side. इस तरह से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो हम अब इसे देखेंगे. पहले बाय द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वी राइट बाय पाइथागोरस we see QC is the small side, so is small side equal to the square of longest side and PR minus the square of the given small side PQ square. So we put the value of PR is the 13, so 13 square, and PQ is 12 square. So we get square of 13 equal to 169 and square of 12 equal to 144. Now we get root 25. After the taking square of 25, we get 5 and unit is centimeter. So we have the QR is 5 centimeter. Up here we find the tan P minus cot R. We know that the tan theta equal to the opposite side, tan theta equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta, and cot theta equal to adjacent side of cot theta theta upon opposite side of angle theta. So we write here tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P is here. We know that any angle made on the base, कोई एंगल बेस पर बनता है. If we take the angle P is here, then the base is PQ and the perpendicular is QR, or the adjacent side of Q is PQ and opposite side of P is QR. So tan P equal to opposite side of angle P upon adjacent side of angle P minus adjacent side of cot R, adjacent side of angle R upon opposite side of angle R, because the cot theta equal to adjacent side of theta upon opposite side of theta. So we write the value of opposite side of angle P. Opposite side QR of angle P. Angle P की जो opposite side है वो QR है, so we will write here QR upon adjacent side is PQ minus adjacent side of R is QR upon opposite side of angle R is PQ. So we put the value of QR. QR is 5 centimeter and PQ is 12 centimeter minus again QR is 5 centimeter and PQ is 12. And we know that any numbers, if you minus by the same number, then result will be 0. कोई भी नंबर होगा अगर उसे उसी नंबर से हम माइनस करेंगे, वो चाहे फ्रैक्शन हो और चाहे कोई होल नंबर हो, तो वो जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा वो हमें 0 हो जाएगा, यानी ये हमें मिलेगा 0. तो जो मेरा आंसर आया, आंसर इज 0. आंसर जो मुझे मिला वो 0 आया, क्योंकि ये दोनों कैंसिल आउट हो गए, दोनों सेम नंबर थे और माइनस होना था. अब मैं ये आशा करता हूं कि ये अच्छी तरह से आपको समझ में आया होगा. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, देन यू विल लाइक इट, शेयर इट, and if you have any problems in mathematics, then you will write in my comment box and I will try solve that. Thank you.